Welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to show you how to prep a nail for gel or acrylic application. So now I'm going to use 180 grit file to shape the free edge of the nail. I did that to remove the sharp edges from the file. So now I'm going to reduce the length of the free edge because we don't need it as we are going to apply tips or even a form. So now we're gonna push back the cuticle with the pusher to gently remove any non-living tissue around the cuticle area, because if we leave this skin on the nail plate, we're gonna have a huge problem for adhesion with acrylic or gel. So you can't skip this step. It's a really important step. So now we're going to use the file just to the cuticle area and side walls, just to remove any shine or non-living tissue as well. And now for the center of the nail, I'm going to use a white block. So I'm just going to remove some small non-living tissue around the cuticle area. So now I'm going to use the gel residue wipe-off solution to clean the nail plate, to remove all the dust. So now we're going to use a form. So remove. Take this part and stick just here, and between your thumb, give it a roll. What I like to do is to close, the point of the form, so I can, move it like that. Now place it just under the free edge. And when it's in a good position, you just have to close on the back. Now we're going to apply the nail prep dehydrator. Yep. And as we are working with acrylic, I'm going to use the acid-free primer. And just one coat. And we're ready to apply acrylic. So we have finished the prep, and now we are ready to apply acrylic or gel. I hope you like this video. All the product used will be listed below. Until next time, au revoir!